Hey guys, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can add 5,000 friends on Facebook. So in this video I'll be telling you the manual way to add friends as well as an automatic way. So please make sure that you stick towards the end of this video as you don't want to miss any of my point. And if you're new to this channel or if you don't know me, then my name is Saurabh and my passion is to help you build your influence using online marketing. So now let's jump straight into the topic of adding 5,000 friends. So why you need 5,000 friends on Facebook, you need to ask. So if you're into some business, if you're a business owner, then you need friends basically to add more eyeballs to your content. Those friends could be your target audience, those friends could be your prospects, those could be your customers, potential customers, and you want all those people to be added in Facebook so that you can present yourself in front of them. You can share your value, share your business in front of them. So this is the reason why most people want to have 5,000 friends, because that is the limit Facebook has given. But it's basically a personal choice if you want to have 5,000 friends or if you want to have engaging 1,000 friends. You don't want people who are not engaging with your content which you are posting on Facebook. So it's all about a personal choice. I personally feel that I should have close to 3,000 friends who are highly engaging, who interact with me, who engage with my content, and who share laughs, who share my sorrows, who share. So as I said, it's all personal choice, but I'll be telling you the way with which you can add 5,000 friends. And first I'll be telling you the manual way, and then I'll be showing you an automatic way. I'll be showing you a tool with which you can add 5,000 friends quickly. So in order to show me all this, I need to take you inside my computer. So I'll see you inside my computer. So this is my Facebook profile, and I'll be showing you the manual way and the automatic way to add up to 5,000 friends. Again, you don't have to add those 5,000 friends in one go. It needs to be done over a period of time. So if your account, if your Facebook account is a brand new account, I don't want you to just add friends in a hurry. You don't want to give that impression to Facebook that you are just there to add friends. You need to gradually add friends over a period of time. So the number which I can tell you is, like, if you're a brand new Facebook account, then don't add more than 10 to 15 new friends every day. And if you've got a old Facebook profile, you could go higher, and you could add close to 50 Facebook friends. And again, you don't have to add these friends, you don't have to send the request in one go. It needs to be done over a period throughout the day. Let's say you can add like 10 friends in the morning, and then you could send 10 more requests in the afternoon, and 10 more requests in the evening, and then maybe 10 to 15 more at night. So you have to spread across your requests. So you don't want to send them in one go. Otherwise your account will be banned by Facebook. So now coming to the point as to how you can add friends. So adding friends means that you are a business owner who looking to get more eyeballs into your offer. So those friends, those targeted friends, you could find in different groups related to your niche, and different pages related to your niche. Maybe the pages of the top people in your niche. Let's say if you are into internet marketing niche, then the pages of top marketers. That's where you can add friends from, and different groups as well. And similarly, if you are into health niche, then maybe the top person in that niche, and the leaders in that particular industry. You can go to their pages and add friends. So just to show you an example, let's say you want to add more friends in internet marketing niche. So then you have to see like who is the leader in that. Then we can say, okay, the leader is Danlock. I follow Danlock. Then what we have to do, we need to just search for Danlock and go to his page. And then what we have to do, again, we are not just going to just keep on adding the friends. Then we have to look for the latest post which is there on that particular page. So let me see, the latest post here I see is from 26th of March. Okay, and you can see these 788 people who have liked and hearted this post, and 66 people have commented. So these are your target audience, and these are the people to whom you will send the friend request to. And you're not just blindly going to send them a friend request. The ideal way is, you need to just see what all the post is all about, and make a valuable comment as well. What will happen is, people will start noticing you, and they will also add you, so you don't have to just keep on adding the friends. So then what you have to do after making the valuable comment, you need to just open this list, and you could go like adding friends. So let's say like this one, you will get these messages. You can say confirm, you can say 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is how you need to send the request. And again, as I said, you don't have to send bulk requests in one go. Take it easy with sending the request, depending on how old is your account. So that is one way, a manual way. And the other way is also to get the people from different groups. So let's say, in the same, I'm talking about internet marketing niche, then one of the most popular and one of the most engaging group is ClickFunnels Avengers. So what you could do, you could just go to the page, and again you have to do the same thing. You could just go to the latest post, and you can see what person is talking about, and then again you can just add send the request to people like this. So again, I'm telling you, it's not just about sending the request. You also have to put a meaningful comment, add some value, interact with people in those groups and those pages. So it's not just about adding, just blindly sending them a request to add friends. Now, so this is the manual way to add friends. Now I'll be telling you the automatic way to add friends from a Facebook group. It only works on a Facebook group. Then what you have to do, you need to just go into the members section, and there is a Chrome extension which is called as Group Adder. I will give you the link to this extension in the description down below, where you can download this extension, and I'll also give a video as to how you need to install this Chrome extension. So then what you have to do, you need to just click on the members section of any Facebook group which you are there in, and just scroll down and see these people are there who haven't sent a friend request. Then all you need to do, once you have installed the Chrome extension, it will come up over here, and then the first section is delay between each friend ad. So by default it is 1500 milliseconds delay, and then and we'll keep that as it is, and then how many friend requests you want to send. Again, as I said, you don't have to go crazy with sending the friend request. So I'll just do 5, and then what you have to do, you just need to click on run and just wait. As you can see, it is sending the friend requests automatically. It will send the 5 request, and then it will give you a message that yes, it is done. So this is the automatic way to add friends from different groups. Again, I'll put the link to this extension in the description down below. And again, I'm reminding you, don't go overboard, don't go crazy with adding the friend request. So guys, these are the 2 ways with which you can add 5000 friends on your Facebook. Again, I'm telling you, it's a personal choice. If you want to add 5000 friends, or you're happy with 1500 or 2000 friends, again, it's all personal choice. It's all dependent on your business strategy, as to what strategy you are following in your business. So I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And to all you lovely people out there, I'm also giving you a free blueprint of getting buyer leads on Facebook. So again, I will put that in the description down below. You can just click on the link and access that blueprint for free. You don't have to pay any single penny for that. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Cheers.